Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add any NFC card to your Apple Wallet. This process is straightforward, but you need to meet a few requirements before getting started. Let me walk you through the steps. First, ensure that your iPhone is running iOS 13 or above. If your device is on an older iOS version, adding NFC cards to Apple Wallet won't be possible. To check your iOS version, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select General, then tap on About. At the top of this screen, you'll see your current iOS version. If you're running an older version, consider updating your device to the latest iOS version by navigating to Software Update under General. Once your iPhone is ready, the next step is to download an app that supports adding NFC cards to your Apple Wallet. One popular app for this purpose is NFC Tools, which you can find and download from the App Store. After installing NFC Tools, open the app and make sure you have the NFC card you want to add ready. Within the app, locate the Scan or Read function. In NFC Tools, this is represented by an orange button labeled Read. Tap this button to activate the scanning feature. At this point, the app will display a message saying Ready to Scan or Approach an NFC tag. Hold your NFC card near the top part of your iPhone where the NFC reader is located. Keep the card steady until the app detects it. Once the NFC card is successfully scanned, the app will display the card details and give you the option to save it to your Apple Wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once the NFC card has been added, it will appear in your Apple Wallet, allowing you to access it easily when needed. Thank you for watching.